Hello my dear subscribers, I have very important and interesting information for you. Please watch the video till the end. If your exhaust is emitting white smoke and smells like gas, it could indicate a few potential issues with your vehicle. Fuel system problems. If you smell gas along with the white smoke, it could indicate an issue with the fuel system. This might be a leaking fuel injector, a malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator, or a faulty fuel line. If excess fuel is getting into the combustion chamber without being burned efficiently, it can produce white smoke and a gas odor. I once had such a problem. The car suddenly lost power, thick white smoke appeared with the smell of gasoline. To determine the cause, first remove the spark plugs and inspect. Check the spark plugs. It is in that cylinder where the spark plug is wet and smells of gasoline that may be the reason. The most likely cause is the injector. A bad injector can get stuck open and dump more fuel in. In most cases, this is the most likely reason. Such an injector needs to be changed urgently because unburned gasoline gets into the oil and the quality of the oil deteriorates. Regardless of the cause, white smoke from the exhaust accompanied by a gas smell is usually a sign of a significant issue that requires prompt attention. Continuing to drive the vehicle in this condition could lead to further damage and potentially unsafe conditions. It's best to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible to diagnose and address the problem. Thanks for your attention and please subscribe our channel.